Hello, hello, friends. I've been working for hours. And you know what? Let's have some lunch. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's turn the light on. Let me introduce you to the setup. This is the microwave. This is the stove. This is the oven. Now, what are we going to cook with? We need a skillet and a spatula. Now we need our ingredients. First, we need English muffins. We also need some sliced cheddar cheese. We also need some pre-cooked sausage patties and an egg. Let's turn on the stove. I need to split this English muffin in half. I don't know why they're called English muffins, but that's what they're called. They're surprisingly difficult to split. These go into the toaster. Now I open the cabinet and grab a plate. I prepare the cheese. I take one slice out of the bag and reseal the bag. I put a paper towel on the plate. Then I take out one frozen patty. These patties are already cooked. I just need to reheat them. I fold up the patty and place it in the microwave. I cook it for 1 minute. Now it's time to cook the egg. I spray the skillet with olive oil. I crack the egg into the hot skillet. I add some seasoning. I break the yolk, and I also fold the egg into a smaller piece. It is a different day now, but I am making my lunch and I realized I forgot to tell you one thing. While I make lunch, I often use that time to learn some Spanish. I am still a beginner in Spanish, and it can be really difficult to find videos and listening materials for my level, especially because I want to be able to build sentences in Spanish and also build my confidence speaking. So, one thing I do while I make and eat my lunch is use an app called Fluent U on my phone. Let me show you this because I really like it. So Fluent U is a platform with thousands of videos specially chosen by the Fluent U team. So when I make my lunch, I choose a video, and while I make my lunch, I watch and listen to that video many times. First, to understand the general idea, and then again and again to start listening for specific words and specific phrases. And I also practice saying these out loud. Then, while I eat, I do the vocabulary exercises and sentence building exercises that come with the video. I really like the exercises with each video because they actually help me learn the words, not just memorize them. They begin with more support, then progressively test your understanding and your memory. And their exercises also help you with putting sentences together, which is super helpful for me because making sentences in another language is super hard. So if you're interested in using Fluent U as well, I put a special link in the comments for you. Let me know what you think. Now the sausage is done. The English muffins are done. And now it's time to assemble. To assemble means to put everything together. So I put my bread, sausage, and cheese together. And it's time to flip the egg. And now the egg goes on the sandwich. The other half of the bread goes on top. And there we are. It's done. My breakfast sandwich is done. Now it's time to eat. I always try to sit at the table to eat, not at my desk. I've been enjoying this orange cream flavored Coke. Let's see how it tastes. Obviously delicious. Bon appetit. Thanks for being here, friends. Until next time, bye.